If you're running a business in Seattle, you already know how competitive the market can be. From startups to established companies, everyone is vying for attention online. That's why investing in a digital marketing package isn't just an option, it's essential for growth. But what exactly is a digital marketing package, and how can it help your business stand out in Seattle's crowded market? Let's break it down. 1. What are digital marketing packages? A digital marketing package is a bundled set of services designed to improve your online visibility and drive meaningful results. Most packages typically include search engine optimization, SEO. This helps your website rank higher in Google search results, so potential customers can find you when they search for products or services you offer. For example, if someone searches best coffee shop in Seattle, SEO ensures your business appears near the top. Pay-per-click advertising, PPC. These are paid ads on Google or social media platforms. They drive immediate traffic to your site and help you reach people who are actively looking for what you offer. Social media marketing, platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn are powerful tools to connect with your audience, share updates, and promote products or services. Regular posts and campaigns keep your brand top of mind. Content creation, high-quality content, blogs, videos, graphics educates and engages your audience. It positions your business as an authority in your field and helps build trust. Online reputation management, managing reviews, responding to feedback, and monitoring your online image is crucial. Positive reviews boost credibility and attract more customers. By combining these services, a digital marketing package provides a complete solution rather than tackling each strategy separately. 2. Why are digital marketing packages important for Seattle businesses? Seattle is a tech-savvy, fast-moving market. Customers search online before making decisions, whether it's for a restaurant, a law firm, or an e-commerce store. Opting for a full-service digital marketing package offers several benefits. Cost-effective, bundling services usually costs less than purchasing them individually. Consistency, a unified strategy ensures all marketing efforts, from SEO to social media, work together toward the same goals. Expertise, agencies that provide these packages have specialized knowledge. They understand the latest trends, algorithms, and tools, helping your campaigns perform better. For instance, a local bakery could benefit from SEO to appear in search results, PPC to promote seasonal offers, and social media marketing to share mouth-watering photos, creating a holistic approach to attracting customers. 3. Tailored packages for different industries. Not every business in Seattle is the same, and neither should be your marketing strategy. Agencies often offer customized packages based on the type of business. Healthcare, clinics, dental offices, and wellness centers need strategies that build trust and connect with local patients. E-commerce, online stores focus on driving traffic and increasing conversions through optimized ads, SEO, and engaging content. Real estate agencies and brokers need targeted campaigns to attract buyers and sellers in specific neighborhoods. Hospitality, hotels, cafes, and restaurants rely on engaging content, reviews, and social campaigns to attract guests and build loyalty. Tailoring a package ensures every service contributes directly to your business goals. 4. Choosing the right digital marketing agency. Selecting an agency is just as important as choosing the right package. Keep these factors in mind. Experience. Look for agencies with proven results in your industry. Transparency. Make sure they provide clear reporting and updates on progress. Customization. Avoid one-size-fits-all solutions. Your business has unique needs, and your marketing plan should reflect that. Client reviews. Check testimonials or case studies to see how they've helped businesses like yours. The right agency will become a strategic partner, helping you grow your business while saving you time and resources. 5. Final thoughts. Digital marketing packages are more than just services, they're a strategy to help your business thrive online. By combining SEO, PPC, social media, content, and reputation management, you create a powerful system to attract, engage, and convert customers. For businesses in Seattle, where competition is fierce and online visibility is crucial, investing in the right package can make all the difference. It's about working smarter, not harder, and giving your business the edge it needs to succeed. If you're ready to take your Seattle business to the next level, a comprehensive digital marketing package could be the solution. Partner with experts who understand your local market, tailor strategies to your business, and help you grow your online presence. Visit IndeedSEO to explore customized digital marketing packages and start turning your online traffic into loyal customers today.